Hey everyone, Casey here, and in this episode of Patina Pit Stop, I'm going to show you how I'm going to replace the steering wheel on my 86 S10. It does not have an airbag. I don't know how to do it if you have an airbag, and I'm probably not going to show you the right way. I'm going to show you the way I do it, but it works, hopefully, so stay tuned. All right, first things first. There's nothing wrong with the steering wheel. I'm removing it because I have a different one that I like better. It's gonna blow. The horn's gonna blow. Ready? Well, maybe not. It's going to. Oh, I got it good. Okay. All right, so you pull the center thing off. You pull this little guy off. This is your horn connector thing. You know, I notice when I make videos, I say this guy a lot, so I'm going to try not to say this guy. So what you do is you remove this guy. Oh, come on now. Just pop this guy off. Dang it, I said it again. All right. All right, so now there's this little clip. This little clip was on here. I took that off already. And on this in particular vehicle, it's a 21 millimeter. Break it loose. Now, older stuff is probably a 7/8 or 13/16 or something like that, but on this vehicle, it's a 21. Okay, so I took the nut all the way off, and now I'm going to go back on a couple of threads. Okay, this is, now they make a steering wheel puller. There is a tool for doing this. I have never used one. So here's my very important tip. If you're not going to use the steering wheel puller and you're going to do it the way I do it, especially if you're in a regular cab truck or an El Camino, something where your back window is right there, put something behind your head. Ask me how I know. So I'm going to put this sweatshirt behind my head. You brace yourself, and then you just all right, steering wheel's loose. Remove the nut. Careful when you pull the steering wheel off, because this wire goes through that hole. Whew. Okay, now the steering wheel I'm replacing it with is another, it's a GMC, but I just like the way it looks, and I had it. Actually, I've had the steering wheel for a long time. And then this guy, dang it, I said this guy again. Goes back in there. And it should, well, pretty much if you line up your hole for that. All right, put the nut back on. Make sure this is good and tight. You know, this is the thing that holds you on the road. We'll put this back on. I'm gonna do a little cleaning. Probably should have done that before. These are glass cleaning rags. I watch a lot of Vice Grip Garage, and he likes spray away stuff. So I started trying out spray away. This is the wipes. I drive a truck. When I'm not driving a truck, that's what I do for like getting paid and stuff. And I don't get to keep my truck. I get to get in a different truck every day. And the trucks are nasty. So I use these. My wife bought me these wipes so I could have them with me. So when I get into a truck that's nasty, I can wipe off the windows and stuff. And I really like these little wipes, spray away wipes. Not a sponsored thing, just something I tried out because of Vice Grip Garage, and I like them. They work really good, these little wipes. Now if you use them on your windows, I would recommend you have like maybe just a paper towel or something with you. You know, after you wipe them off, then maybe just hit them with a dry rag. But they're nice. They're nice little wipes. These are window wipes, not interior wipes, but that's just what I had in my truck right here. And we'll make the steering wheel look decent. I've had this steering wheel probably 10, 12 years. It came off of a GMC, obviously, a GMC pickup truck that someone gave it to me, actually. Thanks, Scott. And then I drove it for a while, and then it had all kinds of issues. That's why he gave it to me for free. He liked me. He's a nice guy. Still a nice guy. All right. I got this cleaned up a little bit. You know what? Let's get the old armor roll out. An old t-shirt here. Oh, look at that. Looks so much better. Okay, so this has got the little thing. Put that back on. The horn's going to honk when I do this. If it doesn't, it probably means my horn don't work. There we go. Let's see. Get my keys out here. Just makes me smile. Key's so wore out, I just put it back there. There you go. That's how you change your steering wheel. Simple. You don't need any special tools. That's the way I do it. I'm gonna clean this up. Might clean up the dash and stuff while I'm in here. Thanks for watching. Yep. See you next one. What do I do with my rag?